Hey guys, Richard here. So I just wanted to give you a last look at RHIMS 5.0 before the launch closes on 2nd of November at 23:59 p.m. Now this is $27 at the moment, and it's going to go up to $47. And I know that JayKay doesn't have face scarcity. It really does put the prices up. If you jump over and you see the link in the description below and jump over to this page, there is some great information on this page. It's going to kind of tell you a little bit more about RHIMS 5.0. And in this video I have done a full video review that you can actually check out on this page, and it takes you inside the actual product itself. But in this video I want to concentrate on the actual funnel of RHIMS 5.0 itself to show you the types of products that you can get if you decide to purchase RHIMS 5.0. So there is some one-time offers with this. Now the front end is RHIMS 5.0, which is a comprehensive training course that teaches you everything you need to know about launch tracking. Now that includes how to find great products to actually review, how to actually do the reviews, how to get traffic on things like YouTube and social media and with your email, how to actually set up your whole email strategy and how to write those emails. Everything is included within RHIMS 5.0 itself, and that's the front end, and that one-time price is $27. Then you have a $1 trial to his membership course on email marketing. Now this is a very comprehensive course that teaches you, if you're an affiliate marketer, how you go about and actually write your emails and get people on board and really engage with your content so that you can obviously promote products and services to them. Very detailed and well worth taking a look, especially at the $1 trial, because you can go ahead and cancel if you're not wanting to have the full membership. Then you have the RHIMS Bundle. Now he's already done 4 of these products, and they are different types of topics. One is on Bing advertising, so that's paid advertising. One was how to get your first 100 subscribers. Then he had one on affiliate funnels, and that was really cool on RHIMS 4, because the affiliate funnels one teaches you the various types of pages that you can build and really engage your audience. And then you have the Launch Jack fast track, which is $67 one time, and that it really is a fast track to get your business up and running very quickly. Now he does his own bonuses that I describe in my actual review, but I've added some of my own because as I say, I've been doing this. I've got a channel with 6,500 subscribers. It's had 400,000 views in less than a year, and this channel is really doing well based on the launch tracking strategy. So I've got a full checklist here that's got all the information that you'll need to get started with launch tracking, a fully interactive checklist there that you can go ahead and use, plus videos within the checklist that you can use to teach you how to get started on the various types of networks. I have a case study there that kind of shows you the overall power of launch tracking and how much money I actually make on my own campaigns, and you can do exactly the same. And then if you decide to go for the full funnel, I've got some kind of exclusive bonuses here that nobody else is going to be able to give you. One is a chatbot. So if you do develop your pages for the launch tracking strategy, I can put a chatbot on there and it'll help you get traffic, leads and sales over to your particular products. I'll put that on there. We'll discuss exactly how you want the chatbot to look. It could be a pop-up, it could be kind of a customer service type chatbot in the corner of the page, and I can put that on there for you. And the next thing is a completely unannounced bonus that I'm really only going to give to an exclusive few folks that want to actually really carry out this strategy. If you go ahead and buy the full funnel, you can have a strategy call with me, and I can really discuss what I do day to day. Very practical, very relaxed call. What I'm going to do is basically show you exactly what I do every single day and how I build my videos, how I go about selecting products to actually review, and actually going to give you some tips about the types of things you can mention in your review that not a lot of people do, and then other sites that you can find some really great products on. So guys, you can go ahead and take advantage of this. Go ahead and check the link in the description below. There is a full review on this if you want to get more information about the product itself, and listen guys, this is the strategy that I use every single day to build my own business online, and I know it's going to work for you if you decide to go ahead and take a look. Everything on this, by the way, has got a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you're really not losing anything by jumping on board and taking a look at the type of information JayKay actually publishes. Again, this finishes on the November the 2nd at 23:59, guys. So jump on board now. The price is going to go up. My bonuses will be removed then. So go ahead and check this out. I'll speak to you soon.